Reproduction in organisms. Part 1. There are three major concepts: introduction, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. Introduction. They have mentioned about a term called lifespan. It is the period from birth to the natural death of an organism. Here are the approximate lifespans of some animals and plants. So you can see here on one side there are animals, on the other side you can see the plants. Reproduction is a biological process in which an organism gives rise to young ones. There are of two types: asexual, sexual. What is asexual reproduction? In this method of reproduction, the young ones are produced from a single parent without the fusion of gametes. The young ones are also called clones because they are morphologically and genetically similar. Morphologically means externally. Types of asexual reproduction. The first one is cell division. Cell division can be of two types: budding type or binary fission. As you already know now, budding refers to yeast or hydra, and binary fission can be seen in amoeba. Next method is by zoospores. Examples: in fungi, algae like Chlamydomonas. By conidia, example penicillium. By gemmules in sponges. By vegetative propagation in plants like potato, ginger, agave, bryophyllum, water hyacinth. The structures are called eyes in potato, rhizome in ginger, bulbil in agave, the leaf buds in bryophyllum, offset in water hyacinth. To see the pictures, you refer to page number 6 to 7 in textbook. What is budding? Budding is a type of asexual reproduction in which the parent cell divides unequally to form a bud. Later, the bud will get separated from the parent cell and grows into a new organism. This method can be found in yeast and hydra. Budding in yeast. This is a video showing how yeast performs budding. Take a look at the yeast here at the bottom where I have highlighted. You can see a small bud growing up from the surface of the parent yeast. Later, this bud will separate from the parent and grow independently. What is binary fission? This is a type of asexual reproduction in which one parent cell will divide into two halves. Each one grows into a new organism. Amoeba is an example for this. Binary fission in amoeba. This is also a video showing how amoeba divides. See, focus on this particular amoeba. You can see how the amoeba's body is separating, and later they will grow into two new individuals. You can see here the two amoeba has got separated. More about vegetative propagation. In this method, the vegetative parts of the plant is used for reproduction. The parts which are used are called vegetative propagules. The process is asexual as only single parent is used. Vegetative propagules. The names of some of the vegetative propagules: runner in grass, sucker in banana plant, tuber in potato, offset in water hyacinth, bulb in agave. Water hyacinth is called terror of Bengal. So this is how water hyacinth looks like. They have violet color flowers. They were introduced to Bay of Bengal because of their beautiful flowers. It is called as terror because of three reasons. The first reason is they drain oxygen from the water and leads to death of fishes. Second, it vegetatively propagates by offset and spreads all over the water body in short period of time. Third, it is very difficult to get rid of them. Nodes are points on the stem from which branches and leaves arise. This is the reason why potato, ginger, sugarcane, banana, dahlia can vegetatively propagate. In the potato, these nodes are called eyes. You can see eyes from which new plantlets arise. Suppose if we were to remove the nodes from here, then the potato cannot be propagated. Ginger also has got nodes over here. Now because of the presence of these nodes, they are able to propagate.